In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a wallet from BullX into Nova. So before we begin, of course, you will need a BullX account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check that out. And if you sign up using my link, you will save 10% on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, after this, once you have a BullX account, you want to hover over here on the left-hand side where you can see this kind of navigation panel, and you want to go inside the Wallet Manager. Inside the Wallet Manager, you first have to create a wallet, and you can do this by clicking New Wallet, or in case you just signed up, you should have this wallet over here. And then once you have a wallet, you should see this button which says One Private Keys. Now, what you actually want to do over here is just click on that, and it will show you the private key for that wallet. And this is the private key you are going to need if you want to import your wallet inside Nova. So simply just copy that private key, and then once you have it copied, go over to Telegram and then open up the Nova bot. And inside the Nova bot, what you want to do is just hover over here where there's this menu button and click on menu yet again. From here, click on wallets, and then you want to tap on import wallet over here. Once you do this, you will have to give the wallet a name. So as you can see, it says, what would you like to name this wallet? You can just type in BullX wallet or something like that. It doesn't really matter. And then you want to press enter. And then it will ask you for the private key of the wallet. You just have to paste in the private key that you copied when you clicked on this over here. And then once you've done that, your wallet will successfully be imported inside Nova. Make sure you never share your private key with anyone though, because it can be very dangerous and they can get access to your wallet if you do so. So make sure you keep it secure and somewhere safe. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.